We had our roof replaced back in 2019 with Guardian Roofing, and back then they did an excellent job on our roof. Well, just recently we noticed that there were a couple of shingles that you could see the underside where it looked like a couple of the shingles had fallen down or slipped out of place. So I called Guardian Roofing, and they had the techs come out that exact week. I didn't have to wait any longer, and they were here right on time. The two of the contractors that were doing the job were very polite, very well mannered. They kept my yard in the same shape it was when they left. Even the gal that did the scheduling for the appointment, she was right on top of it too. To this day, I really think Guardian Roofing stands behind the products, because back in 2019 when they came this day to do the job, and they didn't charge me. So I think that what it was their warranty that they have. I think it's a 10-year warranty, and that's what I think it fell through. But I would highly recommend Guardian Roofing to my family and friends.